Hey, what's up YouTube? Hope you guys are all doing great out there. So I woke up this morning and checked my phone and the NASDAQ was absolutely going crazy. So I'll get into all that. Before I do, just want to ask you guys to go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, I wanted to let you know I'm not an investment or financial advisor and these videos are for entertainment purposes only. So yeah, like I said, I actually checked my phones, checked futures, and it was pretty insane because Nasdaq especially was just skyrocketing, and as you can see, I have TQQQ pulled up, and it's up. It was up 12%, currently up 11.15%. So that's pretty insane right now because yesterday I was down $2,500. I was down, almost 12% total on my shares, and as you can see right now, I'm up, a little over 3%. So, I'm happy about that. But that is one of the biggest gains I've seen in pre-market this year. Let's actually take a look at pre-market. The Dow is up 2%. S&P 500 almost 1.8%. Nasdaq 1.85, 200 points. So, yeah, Nasdaq has definitely done great. I said this actually in a previous video that last night were the elections, right? So even though a lot of states are not done counting their votes, everything does point towards a Biden victory. So we'll see how that plays out. But I said this in a previous video that if former VP Biden were to be in the driver's seat to become the next president, the tech sector would definitely go up. So that's exactly what's going on. We'll see how the day ends, and I'll give you guys an update on TQQQ. I'm most likely gonna sell some covered calls, but just gonna wait for this to go up a little bit more. Maybe get rid of a few shares, but I'm probably gonna keep at least 100 shares moving forward because I do think this is gonna recover to at least 140, 150. So yeah, so that's TQQQ. Let's take a look at some other stocks that have done really good here in pre-market. So Microsoft is up. It was up $8 just like a few minutes ago. So Microsoft is really doing well right now. As you can see, I actually have put credit spreads. I have 8 credit spreads open, 16 contracts that I'm probably gonna get rid of here at market open. So just want to get rid of them. They expire in a few days, so I'll take whatever profit, maybe a 50-60% profit. I'm cool with that. Take that and move on to the next one, right? So that's Microsoft. That's the plan I'm in. Another stock, another stay-at-home stock that has absolutely done great this entire year. So Zoom, right? So Zoom has been up 570% this entire year. So we all know, how important Zoom has been to lockdowns, to businesses, to large enterprises, and everything as far as communication goes this year. So here in pre-market, it's up almost $23.05%. So to be honest, I'm not really surprised because Zoom has been on, Zoom has had days that it just absolutely goes on a tear. So yeah, so Zoom's been doing pretty well right now. And also Netflix, right? So Netflix is another stock that, similar to Zoom, has really actually benefited from the lockdowns and everything. So Netflix and Zoom have been on a tear here in pre-market. So yeah, this is pre-market, but let's see how we finish off the rest of the day today here in the stock market. And also, it looks like the election is coming down to the wire, so definitely gonna wait for that and see how things play out. Would love to know what you guys think. Go ahead and comment below. Love to know what you guys think about the election, about the stock market, about the tech sector. Looks like possibly recovering again. Just let me know in the comment section below. I'll keep you guys posted on any other plays or any other strategies I use in future videos. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to give this video a like. Other than that, thanks for watching.